Good morning, guys. It's Mr. Young. Hope you're doing well today. So I want to go over the lesson that Mr. Adanasia put up and maybe give you some guidance as to how to go about doing the prehistoric extinct animal in Word. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So hopefully it'll help you do the work. So here we go. So I'm going to flip my screen. Let me change this. Flip my screen, and here we go. Okay, so I'm in Word, and I went ahead, and my first thing to do was I went ahead and I changed the layout of my paper. I click layout and I click it and I moved it to orientation and I did landscape. So now I have a landscape thing. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click insert, and then from insert I'm going to add a table because I like to keep stuff organized, and this way I can work cleaner. So here we go. So I got that. Now my first thing, I'm going to do my research, and I'm going to pick the woolly mammoth, and here it is right here, woolly mammoth. And I like this photograph. I'm going to click on it, and I like this one better. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy it because I just like the brown tones. This one might be better. Maybe I'll go with this one. Copy the image, and then I'm going to shoot back onto Word. Go back into my Word document. I'm going to put this here and hit paste. I'm going to paste my photograph in that box. This way I'm keeping it all the same. Oh, I didn't want that one. Take that one out. Let me go back here. I thought I clicked the right one. Let me copy this one because that's the one I really want. And I'm going to change it, put it here, and click copy, and then paste the photograph. That's the picture that you saw, and hopefully it comes up. Now, this is way too big, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reduce the size of it because I don't want it this big. Probably that's good. Okay, so then I'm going to look back at Mr. Adanasia's request for us to do the work, and just to make sure I have it right. So today, student choice, choose your favorite extinct animal or message Mr. Adanasia to be assigned one. You can do that right here if you want. So taking a look down, research the extinct organism or animal in this case. On your posters, list the appropriate geological era and period which your organism lived in. So let's take a look back. So let's take a look and go back up, and we want all. Now, I always told you try not to use Wiki, but you could start off with Wiki and take a look and see. Here's some information that we can rely on. I would prefer if you looked at this prehistoric page. Here's prehistoricwildlife.com, and here's the information that we're going to need. And take a look. So when you copy and paste any of this information, I'm going to just click highlight because this is what you're being asked to present, and I'm going to take it, copy it, and I'm going to click back onto Word. I'm going to put my information in the next tab and just do it by A. So now it's set by a way. I'm not really crazy about that. I'm going to wipe it out. That's better. So it's back to the way it was on the other chart. Now, obviously, it's huge. So we're going to take this one, and I'm going to drop down, get rid of this. Now, there's a lot of big words in here, as you guys see. I'm not a fan of this because copying and pasting, as Mr. Young has always told you, is it's not your work. I mean, for the purposes of what we're doing here today, I mean, this is something that is, we have to really think about what we're doing here. And if you see, look, I'm making it a little smaller. I'm going to drag over my centerpiece, and you see everything is falling back into place. I'm going to click back, and I'm going to take a look at what else Mr. Adanasia is asking us to do. So we've done that era period. Design an informative poster about your organism. Be sure to include at least 2 interesting facts about the organism. So I'm going to go back to Word again, and I'm going to put my interesting facts in this box here, because I think that here, if I do this, let me highlight this, let me get that period out, and let me drop it down. Okay, oops, go back up, oops. I'm going to reduce my letters, so I'm going to go down. That one rises it, this one reduces it. I'm going to bring it down to 11. 11's good. We could read it at 11. And then in here, I'm going to type in interesting facts, INTERESTING, and then facts, FACTS. So now I've constructed The pieces, let me look back one more time, make sure I have everything that he's asking us. So be sure, 2 interesting facts. Your posters should be accurate and informative as well as visually pleasing. You can either draw or print out a picture of your organism for the poster. You'll not be graded on your ability to draw. So here, you know, I didn't draw. I took pictures, stock pictures from the internet. I'm going to go ahead and up here, double click on the header. And I'm going to put my name. So name. I'm going to post this up for you guys to see as a sample. So if anybody has a problem with this, you know, just text me and let me know. But that's it. So I'll chat with you later. Good luck. Have fun with it. Bye.